Hi friends, once again welcome to the Sales Shows Academy of Infinite Learning. Today's topic is about how to make a quadratic equation by using the roots of quadratic equation. I hope you have learned how to solve a quadratic equation well, but today you are going to learn how to make a quadratic equation by the roots. You will use the roots of the quadratic equation to make a quadratic equation. So first of all, you should know what the roots are. Roots are the values of a variable that can satisfy the quadratic equation or make that equation as equal 0. It means when you put the values of these roots in any equation, that will make the equation 0 is equal to 0. That is the verification that these numbers, these values are the roots of the equation. For further explanation and elaboration, we can take two numbers as roots of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation given is x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0, and we take 2 and 3 as the roots of this quadratic equation. If these two numbers are the roots of this quadratic equation, so if we put x is equal to 2, that must satisfy this quadratic equation or make the equation 0 is equal to 0. Or if we put x is equal to 3, or if we put 3 in place of x in the equation, that will satisfy the equation, of course, and again make the equation 0 is equal to 0. So first of all, we will make a quadratic equation, then we will prove that these roots are the numbers through which we made the quadratic equations are the roots. So just take 2 and 3 as the given roots of the equation, and now by applying the formula of making the quadratic equation, we can put the values of these two roots 2 and 3 in the equation in the formula. Formula is x square minus sum of the roots multiplied by x plus product of the roots equal 0. Yes, you must remember this formula. You must memorize this formula of making a quadratic equation, that x square minus sum of the roots multiplied by x plus product of the roots equals 0. Here you have two numbers as roots, 2 and 3. So if you make the sum, you have to add 2 plus 3, and that's the sum of the roots. And similarly, product of the roots means you have to multiply 2 and 3, and you have put these two numbers, two roots in the given formula, and you get x square minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by 3 equals 0. Further solving it, you get x square minus 2 plus 3 means 5x plus 2 multiplied by 3 6. Now you have got an equation that is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, through the given roots, by the help of given roots, you have made a quadratic equation that is x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. I hope you have understood well how to make a quadratic equation with the help of the given roots. Now, according to the definition, according to the condition I expressed at the start of this video, that these roots will definitely satisfy the equation. It means if you put the value of x as 2, one of the roots in the equation, that will satisfy the equation, means that will make the equation 0 equals 0. So now here we put 2 in place of x and see what happens. X square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So in place of x we put 2, so 2 square 4 minus 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10, plus 6 equals 0. Further solving it, 4 plus 6 we get plus 10, and then minus 10, plus 10 is cancelled by minus 10, so finally we get 0 is equal to 0. Right, this is the verification that the given roots, one of the roots the number 2 is the root, one of the roots of this equation that's satisfied the equation, that made the equation 0 is equal to 0. That's the proof. And now you can again solve this equation by putting the value of the x as 3 instead of 2, and you will solve it by yourself, and you will see that finally you get 0 is equal to 0. It means that 3 is another root of the equation. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you. Bye.